This thing is very easy, guys. So we are in the last part and then we finish it. So everything, kila kitu najirudia, everything, some parts of this song, some parts of this solo, the repertoire, all right? So after doing, we are here. So we have okay, again, repeat. All right, just repeat that one. Slide. Repeat everything. Now the new thing here is play G note. Play let me find that one out. This one is A B note. A B note. No, this is a B B note. All right, sorry. This is a B B note. So B B note, third string, 15th fret. All right. C. C. So B, B B, and then C note, 17th fret, 4th string. Sorry again. Don't play the 4th string. Play the 3rd string, which is the C note. Yeah, C note. Fret number 17. Play the C note, 3rd string, and then E B note, 2nd string. That is why I've confused somewhere. So just do it like this. After doing, just skip and go back to our progression. This one. Play the 2nd string. I'm going to repeat this part again because I've confused. Play the 2nd string, the D sharp, the D B note, and then play G string. Finish up with the A B note. I'm going to repeat that part one more time. All right. This is what I did, guys. This is what I did. So we were here, right? So just do this. Come back and repeat everything, and then after doing that, play the G note, 12th fret, 3rd string. Play the B B note, 15th fret, 3rd string. Play the C note, 17th fret, 3rd string, and then go back and play the D B note, 2nd string, 14th fret, and then play the G string, 12th fret, 3rd string, and then again play the G string, 13th fret, 3rd string. So you have that is how it sounds. So in total you have so that is the end of our lesson, and that is how you play Angelike. Where's my microphone? That is how you play Angelike by John Nzenze. See you in the next tutorial, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Take care.